Tá an air seo faoi mo bháthair. It kills me. I know that it's one of your dreams that you and I will get along all right. But maybe it's that you in me that stops us and the part that you don't like. You were there when I started to slide and keep slipping, slipping, trying to remind myself of all those times when I'm slipping, slipping. I know this isn't a game to you, giving up. I deserve it. You know I carry the shame of it like a child kicking with torment. See, the thing is that I don't know if I love you, and it kills me.